And Paul is saying that you will have ups and downs, you will have trials, you will have tribulations, but you need to persevere. In my life, as many of you know, I've had health issues. I've had heart attacks, some bad ones, one real bad one. I've had strokes, one really bad stroke, left me paralyzed for a while, couldn't speak for a while. I know some of you are saying, well, why didn't that not being able to speak last a little longer? But so I've had heart attacks, I've had strokes. You know, I've had this rollover car accident where I broke every vertebrae in my neck, all broken, had amputations on my hand. They had to rebuild my hand. So people have said to me, Mark, why don't you just stop? Why don't you slow down? And I look at that and I say, why? Did Jesus change? Is he still the same Son of God who died on that cross for me? Well, I believe he is. I have faith that he is. And my faith is such that no matter what trials, no matter what tribulations, no matter what obstacles come, it doesn't change what I believe. And I believe that we are to use whatever talents and gifts we have to bring people to an understanding of that faith so that we even strengthen and grow in our own faith. So the first reading says, no matter what the world throws at you, no matter what happens, persevere, stick with it, hold strong to your faith, because that's what we are called to do.